వెల్కమ్ టు iDream. నా పేరు లుంబిని. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో లాంగ్ టర్మ్ కెరియర్ బాగుండాలి అంటే చేయాల్సిన కోర్స్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్ విత్ డిఎస్ఏ అండ్ ఏఐ. మరి చేయాల్సిన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ క్వాలిటీ థాట్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ అమీర్పేట్. సో ఇవాళ ఈ కోర్స్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ గురించి అలాగే జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ గురించి మనకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి మనతో పాటు జాయిన్ అవబోతున్నారు ఫ్యాకల్టీ మొహమ్మద్ అబ్దుల్లా గారు. లెట్స్ టాక్ టు హిమ్. హలో సార్.
Hi, how are you?
I am good too, sir. So talking about full stack Python with DSA and AI, what do you think is the importance in current situation, sir?
Let me tell you about the full stack, my subject at Quality Thought, okay? Full stack Python development with AI and DSA. So if I'm talking about this course, like full stack Python with AI and DSA, okay? So generally it is a combination of front-end technologies and back-end technologies. So here in Quality Thought, like I generally teaches like full stack Python with DSA and AI. So like most of the IT companies or software development companies, like it has huge demand in IT companies.
Okay.
Especially when it comes to like freshers. Like if you're talking about freshers, it has huge demand in IT industry. So here like with the help of this course, so every fresher with different streams, not only IT or CSC or
Different
EC
backgrounds.
any stream, a person belongs to any stream, like they can start full stack Python with DSA with AI, like technologies, and they can start their career in IT industry as a entry level software developer.
ఓకే సార్, క్వాలిటీ థాట్లో ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అనేవి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి మేము విన్నాము. సో వన్స్ స్టూడెంట్ కోర్స్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు అంటే దే హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ ప్లేస్డ్
Yes.
ఇన్ అ గుడ్ కంపెనీ.
Yes.
సో ఆ కంపెనీ టైఅప్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉన్నాయని చెప్పేసి కెన్ యూ
Great
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్?
question. So let me tell you about Quality Thought placements. So let me tell you here in like our Amirpet, not our major like our like main software institute at Amirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. So we are very strong in placements, especially when it comes to full stack Python with DSA and AI. So we have very good like placement opportunity for freshers and as well as experience. So like now Quality Thought like recently tie up some of the companies are looking for like full stack Python developer or Python developer or like Python with AI developer or Python with machine learning developer.
Okay.
Some of the companies like Quality Thought a tie up. So let me tell you that name. One company there is a like Trackman is the company. The package is for starting from 2.9. So ITC Infotech, which is in like Bangalore, and they have different branches. They are looking for full stack Python developer with 5 LPA package.
Okay.
And one more company already, especially we are very good Rapo. The company name is Vsoft. Already, especially full stack Python with AI student, almost 40 plus students are working as a Python with AI engineers at
Nice.
Quality Thought,
Okay.
at Vsoft. From Quality Thought. Again, next month they will have another like 7 to 8 openings as a Python with AI. Means if you're talking about like our institute name itself is Quality. So first like here in Quality Thought, we will train the students in such a way. Means technically we will give the complete hands-on knowledge. Then later like we'll forward the resume according to their like practice mode and everything out there practicing and sending to the companies, and Quality Thought is placing, and we do have some like as I told you, some of the companies requirement is in full stack Python with AI.
ఓకే ఓకే సో ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్ వాల్యూని బట్టి ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథన్ విత్ ద కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ యాజ్ వెల్. సో లైక్ కెరియర్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అండ్ జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి సార్ దీంట్లో?
Yeah, it's also very nice question. Okay, so basically as I told you, our course name is full stack Python development with DSA and AI.
AI.
So it is divided into two parts. Like if I say full stack Python development, it is a combination of front end technologies and back end technologies with databases.
Acha.
So like if you're talking about like how are the scopes for this course, means even like if you're strong in front end technologies, in IT companies we have separate position like JavaScript developer. So we have some certain front end technologies like JavaScript developer or React.js developer or Angular developer. In the back end also we have some couple of like positions in IT company like Python developer or Python with AI developer, Python with generative AI developer. So if you learn this full stack Python, definitely like especially like 99.99% freshers will get the job in IT company very
Okay.
easily.
Okay, okay. So, can I know about the packages? Because students will be, discussing about the packages and all.
Yeah.
So, especially you have company tie-ups and all. So,
Yes.
you will be placing students. So, what kind of salary package can they expect in the beginning?
Yeah. So if I'm talking about here in quality thought, like recently we have placed like candidates like packages range from minimum package from 2.9 to up to 5 LPA.
Okay.
As I told you, one of the company in Bangalore location, ITC Infotech, so their package start from 5 LPA.
Okay.
So their criteria is what they are majorly focusing on three technologies. So every entry level like student either from CSC, IT background or EC or BCom.
Okay.
So our major focus not only not only in Hyderabad, Bangalore or any wherever IT companies are there. So these companies are looking for four major technologies.
Okay.
Every entry level students focus on first they should be very strong in Python, then SQL, then JavaScript, and
Okay.
as well as DSA. And in the like AI, we have some AI is divided into two parts: machine learning and NLP.
Okay.
In machine learning, like we have like deep learning and mathematical models. So generally, our major focus to train to the specially fresher students to get the hands-on technical knowledge in these areas. So if every student have very strong knowledge in these areas, definitely not only 99%, I can say 100% they can get placed.
Okay.
So here, as I told you, here in quality thought, companies like ITC Infotech will like provide you 5 LPA package, 5 to 7. And even like we have tie up recently, we have tie up with like one of the Indian MNC called Wipro Technologies.
Okay.
Even Wipro Technologies also hiring for Python developer with 7 LPA. And we have, as I told you, VSoft with 2.9 and TrackMind with 2.9. So these are the we are going to currently opening is going on. Our quality thought students are attending the interviews in these companies.
Okay. Simultaneously.
Yes,
Nice. That's so
interviews
nice.
are going on.
Okay, okay. Sir, can one survive on Python? Python, full stack Python with no. Usually we are giving examples about the combination of subjects as well.
Yes, yes.
So can one survive only on full stack Python?
Yeah, let me tell you, this the most important thing is consistency in the company. So long-term growth in IT company. So for example, let me tell you why we are teaching full stack Python with DSA and AI. Every fresher may join as a entry level software developer. They might start the career with Python programming language,
Okay.
and they will develop some sort of applications like web applications or AI applications or generative AI applications or agentic AI application. So after working 1 year in company, like sometime what happen, projects maybe changes.
Oh, okay.
So company says you work for Python developer, then next they will tell you like they need to work on full stack Python developer with AI. Then we need front end technologies also required. So
Okay.
the major focus like of this course is long term growth in IT company, and consistency is very very important.
Okay.
So most of the people, let me tell you one more point. People are telling most of the companies are doing layoff.
Mm.
The major reason of the layoff is that so some of the software developers who is having experience or fresher, they're not updating according to the IT companies.
Okay.
That is the biggest impact on layoff.
As per the market
Yes,
demand.
as per the market. So we have designed here in quality thought, we have designed the course in such a way that like our course, as I told you, full stack Python with DSA, AI, Gen AI, and what's like agentic AI. So our major focus, if a entry level like student, okay, is joining in quality thought, not only he will get the job, he can work. Means our like especially our quality thought mission is once we join in a company, so minimum long term growth means, for example, let's say one of our student join in VSoft, okay, he minimum work 10 years in the company. So
Okay.
minimum, this is called like our major focus on the, like in our course, our major focus of the course, long term growth in IT company, especially for freshers, even some of the experienced people also.
డన్ సార్, దట్స్ సో నైస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యర్ టైం సార్.
Thank you.
ఎస్, చూశారు కదా, ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథన్ విత్ డిఎస్ఏ అండ్ ఏఐ. సో అనమాట, ఇప్పుడున్న ట్రెండింగ్ కోర్సెస్ అండ్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా లాంగ్ టర్మ్ జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ అని చెప్తున్నారు. అండ్ మీకు ఇంకా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కింద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కోసం కింద నంబర్ మెన్షన్ చేశారు, ఆ నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి. లింక్స్ వచ్చేసి డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉన్నాయి, డూ చెక్అవుట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. కీప్ వాచింగ్ iDream.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream ki iDream team అందరికి huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు, మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.